Introducing Jacob Riis on tenement living. What were tenements? Tenements were multiple family rental buildings that became used to describe slum dwellings during the Progressive Era. They were the first version of what is known as apartments today. What did Jacob Riis do? Riis specifically exposed the unlivable conditions of tenements in New York City. He wrote the book How the Other Half Lives, describing tenements and providing the images he took of them. What is muckraking? Muckraking is the action of searching out and publicizing scandal information about famous people or topics in an underhanded way. Jacob Riis is considered a muckraker because he participated in this. How did Riis do it? Flash photography was very new in the early 1900s, so Riis's pictures were some of early examples of flash photography. He used what is called a flash lamp to capture the conditions of the tenements. How did Riis find out about tenement life? Jacob Riis was a newspaper reporter and photographer, so he exposed tenement life through muckraking journalism. In 1873, he was a police reporter and found out that infant death rates were 1 in 10 at some tenements. To capture what was causing these deaths, he brought his flash lamp to tenements around the city and photographed everything he saw. What did he find? Inside the tenements, he found windowless rooms, little or no plumbing, little or no central heating or air conditioning, privies, which were small outhouses in a row in basements, crowded rooms with 3 to 4 or more people in each one, and dark halls crowded with children. How did he influence other progressives and life today? Without Riis's exposure of the disturbing tenements, Jane Addams would have never created the Hull House. Poor people would be still living in slums, which were squalid and overcrowded urban streets or districts inhabited by very poor people, and not survive in those conditions. Today, we also have apartments which can be small, but if so, only one family at a time can rent it. There are also specific housing developments for multiple family homes called townhouses today that allow larger homes to be divided into smaller sections for multiple families while keeping their privacy. All of this comes from the inspiration of Riis's work.